So today we're going to have some fun with salsa turns. Now, very quickly, your 4 basic steps. Medio keeps you in time with the music. Cumbia. This is your basic 3-step. Once you understand the style, rhythm, and timing of cumbia, then you will have everything else you need for salsa. We take the 3-step of cumbia and we rotate it in whatever direction we feel like going. It really doesn't matter whether you turn the cumbia together or separately, to the right or to the left. It really doesn't matter as long as you maintain the step, because at some point in time you want to go back and pick up your partner. We go from the 3-step of cumbia to the 3-step of mambo. Remember, in salsa, we don't bring the feet together like in mambo, except when we want to change rhythm. If I wanted to go from the mambo step back to cumbia, I would bring my feet together here, signaling to the lady that I'm going to change steps. Here's my mambo, salsa style. Here's my stop, signaling to the lady that I'm going to a different step, and in this case, the last step of salsa, which we call Cumbia de Salsa. The turn we're going to learn today comes from this step right here, and it goes like this. I turn, she turns. I turn, she turns, until we're finished with whatever it is we want to do. Here's how you do it. All right, so we start this movement or this turn in the Cumbia de Salsa step pattern. That is back 2, 3, back 6, 7. I'm going to open the lady on the count 5. Back 2, 3, open, so that my turn can happen now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, I open up now on the 5, 6, 7 half and put my turn on the 6, 7. I catch the lady off of her back step, and that's the important movement right now. Always wait for the back step. Back she turns. Back I turn. Back she turns. Back I turn. Back she turns. Back. There you have it. So now you might also notice it doesn't matter with the hands whether I go over the top, behind the back, or around the waist. The most important thing is what? Catching her on the back step. Here we go. So when we put the turn together, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 3, basic 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, open out. Now I'm into the turn that we're learning. Bum, 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 and back to basics. Da, 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 da. And here we have it, 6, 7. So we'll see you next time.